All right, here we are in Pueblo, Colorado. Our first stop in Colorado.
I think it's just Pablo.
Pablo? I think it's Pueblo.
Well, I watched the weather and they just pronounced it Pablo.
Anyway, this place is pretty cool. Got a view of the reservoir over here.
Mm-hmm.
And you got really nice campsites with shade and power and just nice mountain range. It's been a while since we've seen a mountain range, so that's good. Really like it here. No bugs, bit of a wind. It's beautiful. Yeah, we'll walk off the cliff. Went for a little walk. Tiger Lily decided to collect these burrs.
Got it. Wait, do you have any more?
These little guys right here.
There's one on the paw. Jay in the
Just loving this breeze, blowing all my stuff everywhere. So there's that. I'm gonna find some more rocks, try and pin this thing down. I got like one over there, and I got my bin with the hitch from the truck in it, but it's just not keeping it down. I gotta go find some more rocks. I guess there's no bugs, so think positive. Okay, I finally got it under control. Pinned it down with the fire pit. Got a couple of more rocks. And the dog. Extra 15 pounds. Making all the difference. Neighbors, however, not doing as good. Reference?
Yeah, like Tiger Lily's leash or something.
Sure. Yeah. Look at this. I've never seen a spider this big. It might be a tarantula. That thing is huge. Wow. It's so crazy. Where's he going? He's going under the RV. I guess that's why I gotta look at my shoes before I put them on in the morning.
We're gonna start storing them inside.
That's wild.
Right?
Where are you going, buddy?
We found our first tarantula. What? Tarantula. Oh. You're so big. Yes, you are. Tarantula crossing the road.
All right, take two.
Aww, you're so mean.
All right, we're driving from Pueblo to Sylvan Lake. It's like a 4.5 hour drive. It was one of the best drives we did, I think, so far. There's like all these cool little, they're almost like mini whistlers, maybe they're bigger than Whistler. Like, I think we went through like 3 of them. They're like little ski towns.
Ski towns, yeah.
They got like chalets and like downtown, or like the downtown's got all these cute little shops. Rochelle's like, oh, you gotta pull over. We gotta go shopping in these stores.
They had a Patagonia.
But there's no parking. There's no way we could have stopped.
No, we would have had to walk pretty far, I think.
Yeah, so we didn't stop. We just kept going.
We're gonna miss out. I don't think we're gonna have another mountain town.
Well, like we're camped out in Sylvan Lake right now. Aspen is on the other side of the mountain, but it's like a 2.5 hour drive to get around these mountains. So I don't think we're gonna see it.
Well, this looks like a peace stop.
Yeah, restroom stop, and also we were gonna get gas, but that gas station was too hard to get the RV into, so we kept going. Luckily, there was a few more towns on the way. There's me driving, feeling all in control, going down these switchbacks. Yeah, it was a pretty challenging drive. I was stressed out by the time we got here.
Didn't you say BC's highways are so much better, or like you give them credit?
Yeah, I do give them credit. That's one, after like driving a lot of places, the highways in the mountains in BC are top notch, world class.
Oh, I think this is a mountain town.
Yeah, this is like one of the first ones. We didn't get the next 2 on camera, but they were even nicer.
They were even better, yeah. I didn't want to be distracting for the driver.
The co-pilot?
Yeah, with the recording.
Well, we were going slow. We were going like 20 through the towns you could have
There's
recorded.
so much to see. I know. I should have recorded.
Ah, well, sometimes you gotta just take it in.
Yeah,
Yeah. Every time we slow down, she's like, roll the window down. I must look out.
That's what I'm here for, Hello.
But yeah, like what is this month, like 5, 6? How
long have we been out? Since May, and we're in October.
Yeah.
Yeah, so almost 5, right? June, July, August, September, October. Yeah, it'll be 5 and the 15th, 16th-ish.
Yeah, I've been camping for 5 months. Learned a lot about RV living. It's been challenging.
I'm really happy I have a vacuum and now a couch.
Oh yeah, Rochelle got a couch in Pueblo.
Jay did not want me to get the couch because it's quite big.
No, well the back of the truck is like already full.
Yeah.
So I was like, I don't know where you're gonna put the couch.
So I said I'm gonna put it in the RV because it's the first thing we take out. It's all good.
Yeah, so the couch is Rochelle's responsibility.
And it lives in the RV when we're traveling. But when it rains, it's gonna be, I gotta put it in the truck somehow.
Yeah, well I think it'll fit in the truck with all the stuff out.
Okay.
Then we had a fire last night, and Rochelle also got a new outdoor mat. And then I was like, oh, you should bring that down over by the fire. We'll put the couch on it. It'll be like comfy.
Tiger Lily will stay cleaner.
Tiger Lily will stay cleaner. She did not stay clean because we went for a hike earlier and she got filthy again, even though she had a bath that day.
Yeah, but she stayed on the couch the whole time, and then Jay melted my new mat.
Yeah, and then we got a little aggressive with the fire. We found all this firewood at all these empty campsites. There's like nobody here. And carried it all back. So we had a big fire, but they were like popping embers everywhere. So we got burn holes all in the new mat.
Poor Matt.
Rochelle was not impressed with me for making her move it down.
Yeah, it could have stayed where it was. That's for sure. So we moved it mid-fire.
Yeah, we rescued
it a little bit, but... And then in the middle of the night, I realized I haven't seen the stars much, and
Oh,
I
yeah,
got to use my couch then.
Right, Rochelle had a little midnight adventure on her own.
It was nice. I had indigestion. I ate too many taffies.
Yeah, you ate like 20 taffies.
I don't think it was 20, but
I cleaned up the wrappers this morning. It was like 20.
I think 2 of them were yours.
Could have been. Could have been.
But yeah, I had some taffy on top of my dinner. So anyway, the stars were spectacular here.
Yeah, this is like Sylvan Lake's like I think like 30 minutes down a dirt road. We're in the middle of nowhere, so there's no light pollution.
Yeah, and that was really pretty. And then just knowing that I had a couch to lie on to do it was cool. I had to dig out some toques in the middle of the night, but luckily Jay had just gone pee, so I wasn't disturbing him.
Yeah, we found our toques. I was gonna buy one when we were couch shopping. Oh yeah, so this is us. This is us cruising to Sylvan Lake. We're getting close.
Yeah, we're going pretty slow, but I was like, oh, the way her face in the sun, so cute.
So Tiger Lily got right out there.
Yeah, she was hanging out, right? That's funny.
And then
yeah.
Then we got here.
Yeah,
and
she's been enjoying it. Although we have to watch out because we saw a fox the very first day.
Oh, yeah, right. There's foxes here.
Is it? Oh.
Here, yeah.
Oh, sorry. I thought you were pointing.
No, I didn't get them on video, but I got a picture of them.
Yeah, so we have to protect Tiger Lily from foxes.
Yeah.
But Leo, she's totally hanging out. I don't normally let her. We must have been going slow.
Yeah, we were going slow.
But it's a cool shot. Oh, cutie.
Yeah.
Look at her little face.
And after this,
So pretty.
headed to Utah.
Oh, yeah, Utah.
That'll be cool.
Very cool.
Just arrived.
All right.
Camp.
What a wild, weird spot.
Sylvan Lake. Lots of mountains. Oh, we're in the middle of Colorado's Rockies. There's a lake back there. Hard to see right now. But yeah, pretty.
Okay, we made it to Sylvan Lake, Colorado. Drove here from Pueblo. It was like 4.5 hours.
All through the Rockies. So beautiful.
Oh yeah, the views are spectacular. But this place is pretty remote. It's like half-hour drive down a dirt road into the mountains. There's nobody else here, or at least in our campsite. No power, but there's water. Had a nice barbecue last night.
Yeah, they have patios.
Yeah, we barbecued sausage, made pasta, barbecued the vegetables. It all worked out. It's gonna be the leftovers tonight. Today we're gonna make dog food. Gonna barbecue some steak for the dog. And sweet potato, make a salad. Do a bit of exploring. Ooh. Stock moves a little bit. Oh, there's a dead fish down there.
Oh dear. Tiger was really enjoying the smells.
Let's take two. we should have went around the lake. Shady.
Wow, we could still go around the lake. I think if we follow this road here, you'd have a nice view of the lake.
Through the trees?
No. The road like cuts all along the side of the hill.
Yeah.
Anyway, if we can't find a path up to the rocks, then that's what we'll do. So here's the hummingbird cabin. It's a rat trap.
Nice little cobblestone patio.
Yeah. Following this dried up creek. See if we can't get closer to these mountains. I think they're too far for the camera. Let's see. What did you find?
That's not pretty though.
Was that a thistle?
Yeah.
And that's gonna hurt.
Come and take it, Lily.
Alright, well, this is as far as we made it on this dried up creek bed. There's a mountain up there we wanted to see, but the trees are getting taller. This creek bed wall is pretty high.
There's a nice one over there.
So I don't know if we're gonna get any closer than this.
No. Unless we want to pop up again. Sylvan.
Yeah, I don't think the dog could
Climb right here.
do it. This is the trail here.
Oh, is it? You made it.
Yep.
Fire, baby. Oh. Sparks on the baby. You gotta flick around and you can see it with your sunglasses.
Okay, I guess I'm just the fire.
That's my hair. You just know that type of light. Lake walk today. Just past the creek. That was pretty. Tiger Lily's off leash, so hopefully she comes. On leash, she's very bossy about going somewhere else. So we'll see how we do. Cloudy day. Sunny, cloudy. Is it partially? Wrong way, Tiger Lily. Does it smell good over there? Hey, are we pretty happy? We're so happy. Hey? Wild smells.
What'd you find? What'd you find? What's down there? Yeah, it's down by the water.
I think this tree was hit by lightning. Maybe not. Oh, watch where we're going.